you ever had a device in your home all of a sudden stop working after losing power? I know that we've personally lost two Wi-Fi routers this way by not having them plugged into a surge protector. Many of us now know that by keeping these expensive devices plugged into surge protectors, we're safeguarding them from potential electrical surges. Did you know that your heating and air conditioning equipment can suffer the same damage? Surge protectors can stop destructive discharges in the event of power surges, including on your HVAC equipment. So what is a surge protector? Surge protectors are special systems that attach to your circuit box to neutralize power surges. So when a surge occurs, the protector activates and channels the excess electricity safely into a ground circuit. Think of a surge protector as a sponge that absorbs electricity and squeezes it out elsewhere. So what causes power surges? These can happen when voltages spike much higher than normal levels. So it can happen randomly or as a result from problems with your electrical grid. Power surges may follow several high electricity events, including but not limited to faulty wiring, which can draw too much current, causing a power surge in your home, lightning strikes, which also can cause massive power surges and potentially even fires, overloaded circuits, which put too much current through the wires, potentially causing damage to any connected appliances, downed power lines, which are a common cause of blackouts, brownouts, and power surges, and finally, electrical grid problems, which can send an excess of electricity into your home, leading to power surges. So when it comes to power surges, it's really not a matter of if, but when. So when power spikes, the increased voltage travels down through your circuit box, damaging individual electrical circuits along the way. Power surges can overload your HVAC capacitor, damage the circuit board. Either of these can render the system inoperable. A surge protector can protect your AC unit so that you don't void your warranty, because most HVAC warranties do not cover power surges. I know a lot of the homeowners insurance does cover events that are caused by the power surges, but it's really important to remember that most HVAC equipment warranties do not cover any failures due to power surges. One note that's helpful to remember when deciding which option to go with is to ensure that whatever surge protector you end up with, it has an easy to see LED light. So this will help you identify very easily if your surge protector is working. Ask your HVAC technician about surge protector options during your next checkup or service call. Hope this video has been helpful and informative. As always, give us a call with any questions. We'd be happy to answer them for you. Thank you and have a great day.